Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Resmed Airsense 10 hose is probably one of the most essential components of your CPAP therapy, directly impacting your comfort and the effectiveness of your treatment, ensuring a consistent and uninterrupted airflow throughout the night. This vital piece of equipment connects your CPAP machine to your mask, and its quality can significantly influence your sleep experience, making the right choice crucial for achieving restful nights and improved daytime energy levels. Choosing the correct hose is paramount for a seamless CPAP journey. Number 5. Quality CPAP Supplies Universal Hose. Introducing our universal CPAP hose, designed to work seamlessly with all major sleep therapy machines and masks. Its standard connectors ensure a perfect fit every time. No matter your brand, this hose is compatible. It works with Resmed, Devilbliss, Fisher & Paykel, and many more. Enjoy reliable performance with your existing equipment. Crafted with care in the USA, this premium hose features a smooth interior and is made from medical-grade plastics. Experience superior quality and durability. Move freely throughout the night without disturbing your therapy. Its flexibility prevents mask leaks, ensuring you get the most out of your sleep treatment. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your hose every 3 months. It's available in various lengths to suit your needs. What we like. This hose offers universal compatibility, fitting most machines and masks. Its smooth interior design prevents air resistance. If you are looking for a reliable, standard CPAP tube that works with virtually any setup, this is a great choice. What people say. The Resmed Airsense 10 hose is a genuine replacement part, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with the Airsense 10 CPAP machine. This hose features a slim and lightweight design, making it less noticeable and more comfortable during sleep therapy. It connects securely to both the CPAP machine and the mask, preventing air leaks and maintaining consistent therapy pressure. Number 4. Resmed AirFit F20 F30 QuietAir Elbow. Experience a peaceful night's sleep with our advanced noise reduction technology. This innovative design ensures minimal sound disruption for you and your partner. Designed for both AirFit F20 and F30 masks, this replacement elbow provides a secure and comfortable fit. Enjoy uninterrupted therapy with its ergonomic design. Easily replace your old elbow with this new one-piece set. Maintaining your CPAP equipment has never been simpler, ensuring optimal performance. Our QuietAir elbow is engineered for exceptional quietness. It effectively diffuses air, reducing noise levels for a more tranquil sleep environment. Ensure the quality and performance of your CPAP therapy with this genuine Resmed replacement part. It's specifically made for your AirFit mask. Upgrade your sleep experience with this essential component. It's designed to work perfectly with your mask, contributing to more effective and comfortable therapy. What we like. This elbow is designed with QuietAir technology for reduced noise. It's specifically made for AirFit F20 and AirFit F30 masks. If you own these particular masks and prioritize a quieter sleep experience, this replacement part is essential. What people say. The Resmed Airsense 10 hose is a high-quality replacement part that fits perfectly with the Airsense 10 CPAP machine. This hose is lightweight and flexible, making it comfortable to use during sleep without pulling on the mask. The standard 6-foot length is ideal for most users, providing enough slack without being excessively long. Number 3. Mars Wellness 6-foot CPAP hose. Introducing our universal CPAP hose, designed to work seamlessly with all machines that use standard CPAP tubing. Enjoy hassle-free setup without the need for extra extensions or connectors. Experience superior comfort with our premium hose. Its smooth bore design ensures a smooth interior, contributing to a more comfortable sleep therapy experience. Move freely in your sleep without disruption. The flexibility of this tubing allows for easy movement around your pillow and bed, preventing mask leaks and ensuring uninterrupted therapy. Choose the perfect fit for your needs. It's available in 6, 8, and 10-foot lengths, and sold in 1 or 2 packs, with an option for a brush combo. Rest assured with quality you can trust. This hose is proudly made in the USA, ensuring durability and reliability for your sleep therapy. For optimal performance and hygiene, we recommend replacing your hose every 3 months. Ensure your sleep therapy remains effective and comfortable. What we like. This pack provides 2 universal CPAP tubes with a smooth bore for optimal airflow. They are flexible, reducing mask leaks during sleep. If you want a cost-effective solution and prefer a tube that moves with you without disruption, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. The hose is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to move around without pulling on the mask. It's a standard 6-foot hose that fits perfectly with the Resmed Airsense 10 CPAP machine. The slim design is less noticeable and doesn't get tangled as easily as older, bulkier hoses. Number 2. CPAP hose holder for sleeping. Tired of your CPAP hose getting tangled at night? Our innovative holder keeps it neatly out of the way, ensuring uninterrupted sleep and effective therapy. This CPAP bed stand is designed to support your hose, keeping it away from you. It fits discreetly between your mattress and box spring, preventing interference with your sleep. Enjoy freedom of movement with our adjustable swivel arm. It moves with you, eliminating any pulling sensation and ensuring a comfortable night's rest. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. You can easily fold it for portability, ensuring you have your sleep solution wherever you go. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply slide it between your mattress and box spring, thread your hose through the loop, and enjoy a night free from hose tangles. Experience the difference a tangle-free night can make. This accessory is designed to enhance your CPAP therapy and improve your overall sleep quality. What we like. This hose holder keeps your tubing from tangling and getting in the way. Its adjustable swivel arm ensures no pulling during sleep. If you constantly struggle with hose management and want a more comfortable, uninterrupted night's rest, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The hose is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to move around without pulling on the mask. It's a standard 6-foot hose that fits perfectly with the Resmed Airsense 10 CPAP machine. The integrated heated tubing prevents condensation buildup, ensuring a comfortable and dry sleep experience. Number 1. AirFit N20 Replacement Short Tube. Introducing the replacement short tube for your AirFit N20 CPAP machine. This essential supply ensures your therapy continues without interruption. Designed for CPAP users, this tube is a vital component for maintaining effective sleep apnea treatment. It's a reliable part of your nightly routine. Crafted with quality in mind, these hose supplies are built to last. You can depend on them for consistent performance and comfort during sleep. This product is eligible for Flexible Spending Account, FSA, and Health Savings Account, HSA, purchases. Make the most of your healthcare benefits. Easily connect this short tube to your existing AirFit N20 system. It's designed for a secure and straightforward fit, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Count on this replacement tube for durability and reliable function. It's made to be a dependable part of your CPAP therapy equipment. What we like. These are replacement short tubes designed for AirFit N20 masks. They are intended to be a direct fit for users of this specific mask. If you have an AirFit N20 and need a new short tube, these are the perfect replacements. What people say. The hose is lightweight and flexible, making it comfortable to use throughout the night. It fits perfectly with my Resmed Airsense 10 machine and doesn't leak. The slim design is less noticeable and doesn't get tangled easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.